This is a coin from Ukraine. And this is a Ukrainian snowflake. Hey, welcome back to Moflakes. Today I'll be showing you how to make my Ukraine snowflake, and what symbols are in it, and what those symbols mean. We were able to serve a family from Ukraine a few months ago.
What's this? What's this?
When I first met them in my home, I showed them some of my snowflakes. They got really excited and wanted to make some. I asked them for ideas for a Ukraine snowflake. They immediately showed me the Tryzub. I'd never heard of it, and I was intrigued. They also said the sunflower is a symbol of Ukraine. Listen carefully while I make the snowflake. You'll hear a popular Ukrainian song that you may not know was Ukrainian. The song is called Shedrik, but you may know it as Carol of the Bells. The Tryzub has a long history, over 1,000 years, if not more. In a similar shape as a trident, it symbolizes the warriors protecting the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Ukraine. I learned a lot about Ukraine's history and the Tryzub and the symbol that's on their money and used throughout the country. Also, Ukraine is one of the largest suppliers of sunflowers in the world. The sunflower has historically represented peace. In 1996, ministers from the US, Russia, and Ukraine marked Ukraine's nuclear weapon disarmament by planting sunflowers at the Pervomaisk missile base. While the peace did not last, the symbol remains strong and has become a call on leaders to plant the seeds again for a more peaceful future. I love these two symbols because they perfectly describe the Ukrainian families we have been privileged to serve. They are strong, resilient, and have pride for their country. And with that strength comes a determination for peace, to reestablish the security and freedom taken from their land. A snowflake for Ukraine. The Tryzub, or the Trident. Do you see the sunflower in there? You can make one of these snowflakes yourself. You can also get a template for this snowflake at moflakes.com. Check the link in the description below. Snezhinka iz bumagi. I still got it. Yeah, I know this isn't real. It's a fake one. I'm going to show you the Ukraine Moflake. Moflake? Sure, it's a Moflake.